Hello everyone, on today's video I have 4 simple home decor ideas. The first idea is I made this sunwave wall art. I use square wooden sticks and different thickness, and then I paint them in different colors using acrylic paint. I will link the colors on the description box below. Here are the colors that I use. Then I use this piece of wood. This is pretty much like the thing they give you to mix the paint that they give you at Home Depot. And then all I did is I glue all the wood sticks that I painted on top of that piece of wood. When I glue the sticks, I glue them at different height. That way it can make the movement of the sun wave. So for this project, the wood sticks, I cut them to different height. Some are 2 inches, 4 inches, 6, and I kept going on until I reached 24 inches. But you can cut them to the size that you prefer. It all depends on the height of your wall that you want for your wall art. So this photo that you see here on top, I use this metal wood hanging strip to hang the wall art. For this project, you can use different colors if you want. It all depends on your home decor. For the second idea, I did this plant stand. I used a round wood tray, wire hanger, and these mending plates. So all I did is I used the wire hangers and I cut the size. As you can see, I cut the size, and those are the pieces that I'm going to use to make the legs for the plant stand. So I bended this the ends of the wire. That way it's easier to secure the legs onto the wooden tray. And here it is all completed. But I didn't like how it looked, so I decided to paint the wire hanger or the legs with black spray paint. And here it is again all completed. And for the third idea, I did this wall mirror. I use a round wood plate, round mirror, and I use this twisted, I think it's wicker, And all I did is I glued the mirror onto the round wooden plate, and then I cut the strips of the wicker. I think I cut them 13 inches, and then I make loops and glue it to the back of the mirror. So I use this a wicker strip, and I glue it to the top of the mirror. I forgot that hot glue doesn't work, so I ended up using E6000 to glue the wicker on top of the mirror. Here it is, all completed. For the last idea, I did this home letter blocks. I used the styrofoams. They're 29 inches, and then I got this jute ribbon tape, and I wrapped the styrofoam squares with it. And then all I did is I put the letters on top of each of the squares, and you have the word home. So you can do this using other words like love, family, and place them as a home decor. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.